She walked in 5 for nothing, fire in her hair, smirk on her lips like she just didn't care. Said, baby, I'm small, but I promise I bite. And Lord, she proved it that very same night. She don't waste time with talking, oh no, just a spark and you're ready to blow. Oh, that little red hurricane spins you around, leaves nothing the same. She'll kiss your breath right out of your chest, leave you mumbling prayers and begging for rest. She don't suck your soul, she drinks it neat, and you'll crawl back, grin and admit defeat. Woke up dizzy, hair on the floor, couldn't find my name or the bed no more. She laughed, said, baby, you were fun to break, then strutted off like an earthquake. Yeah, she's tiny, but she hits like sin. You'll need confession just to go again. Oh, that little red hurricane spins you around, leaves nothing the same. She'll steal your night, your will, your pride, then wink and walk off satisfied. She don't suck your soul, she claims your crown, then leaves your kingdom burning down. She's got freckles like constellations and moves like temptation's incarnation. You think you'll tame her, bless your heart, but she's a wildfire dressed like art. Yeah, the little red hurricane, sweet as sin, wild as pain. She'll take your strength, your sense, your breath, and make you thank her for your death. Ain't no man or woman safe tonight when that redhead steps into the light. So if she smiles your way, my friend, just kiss your composure goodbye again. 'Cause once that spark hits the flame, you'll never be the same.